Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion templates for employee onboarding in 2025. Start with onboarding template from Notion gallery or community. This usually includes sections for welcome messages, company policies, role expectations, training resources, and task checklists. Using a template saves you a ton of time and gives you a higher, clear roadmap from day one. You can customize it by adding timeline for their first week, FAQs about tools they will use, and even team directory so they will know who to work. Many templates also let you assign tasks directly so managers can track progress in real time. Views like a checklist for daily tasks on board, for training modules, or calendar for key deadlines make the process simple and visual. You can also embed videos, links, or documents directly inside the template so everything is on place. Finally, connect onboarding template to other Notion databases like HR records, performance tracker, or project dashboards so new employees seamlessly transition into their roles. And that's it. How you can make onboarding smoother and more engaging using Notion templates in 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.